Welcome to our SURG Mathematics channel. In today's class, I am discussing MCQs based model question paper 1. In that mathematics, I am discussing 1 to 25 questions already I uploaded in my previous videos. And in today's class, I am discussing questions from 26th. Okay, question number 26. Triangle ABC, it is given that AB by AC is equal to BD by CD. If B is equal to 70 degree, C is equal to 50 degree. Angle B 70 and angle C 50 degree, then angle BAD is. So BAD, this angle asked. See the given condition here, AB by AC is equal to BD by CD. This condition means that AD divides the angle A. Yes, it means angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Its AD divides the angle A. In triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A we don't know, plus B 70 plus C 50 degree is equal to 180. Angle A is equal to 180 minus these two, 70 plus 50 means 120 is equal to 60. BAD is equal to half of A because it divides the angle. No, AD divides the angle A. Yes, is equal to half into 60 to 1 the 30. So angle A is 30 degree. Option A. Question number 27. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and angle ABC is equal to DEF. Both are equal to 60 degree. Then length of AC, this one. Yes, they have given the condition triangle ABC is similar to DE. Using the similar triangle condition, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF and again BC by EF. But we want now AC. So for that I am taking these two only. AB means 4.8. DE is 2.4 is equal to AC don't know, DF is 1.3, which implies AC is equal to, so I will cancel this decimal point, it becomes 48 by 24 and I am taking this to this side is 1.3. 24 1 24 2 it is 2.6 centimeter. So option B. So length of AC is 2.6 centimeter. Next question number 28. In the triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, if AB is to AD is equal to 5:3, then area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle ADE. The given condition is AB is to AD can be written as, see, that is AB by AD 5 by 3. Now area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADE. The given condition is, so side square, AB square divided by AD square. Yes, according to theorem it is AB square by AD square. AB is 5 square and AD is 3 square, that is 25 by 9. So answer 25 is to 9. So option D. Question number 29. In the given figure, angle ABC is 90 degree. So this one is 90. BD perpendicular to AC. It means here it is a 90 degree. If AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, and AC or CA is 10 centimeter, then length of AD, this length of AD they are asking. Now you split the triangles into two triangles. I will show this one. So diagram is see, it is A and you write D and it is a B. Yes, this triangle I am writing D, it is a 90 degree now. Yes. Now AB is 6 centimeter. Then these two triangles are similar triangles. Yes. Similar triangle properties. According to that I am writing the condition. See, AB by AD is equal to AC by AB. So we want AD now. So take AD this side and you send this side. So cross multiplication you take. AD into AC is equal to AB into AB means AB square. Then AD is equal to AB square divided by AC. AB means 6 square and AC 10. 6 square means 36 by 10. It is 3.6 centimeter. AD. The length of AD is 3.6 centimeter. Option B. So option B. Question number 30. The sides of some triangles are given below. Identify which does not form a right angle. See the question, which does not form. So for a right angle condition is, so in this biggest side you see and squares, yes, square it. So in this 13 square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. So 13 square is 169 is equal to 25 plus 144. That is also equal to 169. Yes, this is the condition for right angle triangle. No? So it's satisfied. But we want does not form. So this condition. Next, second one. In this greater one, 17. 17 whole square is equal to 8 square plus 15 square. It's the Pythagoras condition. Yes, which implies 17 square is 289 is equal to 64 plus 225. So again it is equal to A9 equal. So it is also satisfied. Next condition, among three which one is greatest? 8 is equal to 8 square is equal to 6 square plus 3 square, which implies 64 is equal to 36 plus 9. 3 square means 9. It is 45. See here 64 not equal to 45. It does not. So this measurement does not form a right angle. So option C. 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter does not form a right angle. Question number 31. 4 statements are given below with respect to the tangents. The wrong statement is. So we have to search the wrong statement among these 4 statements. First one, there are exactly two tangents that can be drawn to a circle from a point lying outside the circle. Yes, we can draw now from outside point. Two tangents can be drawn from the point outside the circle. Yes, it is a correct. A statement is correct. Next, there is only one tangent passing through a point lying on a circle. Yes, only one tangent. Yes, it is also a correct statement. Only two tangents can be drawn from a point lying inside a circle. Inside a circle, we can't draw a tangent. That is a secant. Yes, so this one is the wrong statement. The lengths of the tangent drawn from an external point of a point to a circle are equal. Yes, it is also correct. So wrong statement is C. Therefore, option C. Question number 32. In the given figure, PA and PB are the tangents. PA and PB. Tangents to a circle with the center O. If PA is 5 centimeter and angle APB 60 degree, then find the length of the chord AB. This they asked to find. Yes, see here. So these two AP and PB are tangents. So condition is AP, both the tangents are equal. AP is equal to BP, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Tangents property, no, two tangents are equal because drawn from the same point outside the point, no. So these two tangents are equal. So 5 centimeter. When these two sides are equal means angle A is equal to angle B. When two sides are equal means base angles are equal, angle A and angle B. Let angle A equal to angle B is equal to X. Now take in triangle APB, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. P, it is angle P. So it is X, it is also X, it is 60 degree equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 minus 60, that is equal to 120. So now x is equal to 120 by 2. It means this is also 60, it is also 60. When 60, 60, 60 means, see, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle P equal to 60 degree. It means all the three angles are equal, means all the three sides are equal, which implies AB is also equal to 5 centimeter. It is a equilateral triangle, means all the three sides are equal. Already these two are 5 means it is also 5 centimeter. The length of chord AB is 5 centimeter. Option C. Up to this, I will stop the class today. Remaining questions I will teach in the next video.